Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the rig and verifying firmware. This ensures predictable motion. Next, mount the camera firmly to the sled and route cables to avoid snagging, because cable drag changes motion. Once done, set the origin or home position and load the motion profile you plan to run so the controller knows start and end points. Make sure emergency stop works. Testing it now saves time later. This first setup prevents errors in later, precise moves. You now program the sequence. Add keyframes with explicit position, speed, and acceleration for each axis so motions are physically achievable. After programming, run a low-speed test pass to observe how the sled, pan, and tilt react. Look for vibrations or missteps. If you spot issues, adjust smoothing and acceleration profiles. This reduces jerks and preserves framing. Repeat test passes until motion matches the intended timing and curves, because small tweaks yield smooth, repeatable results. You're ready to execute the full take. Start with remote monitoring in place and watch for unexpected noises, drift, or overheating, because catching problems early protects gear. After a successful run, save the active profile and export a backup to external storage so you can reproduce the same motion later. If something goes wrong, first isolate power and cable faults. Most failures are electrical or connection-related, so check connectors and power supply before reprogramming motion parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.